Hello students, in the BSc course of mathematics, in all there are the 17 papers. Out of those 17 papers, one is a practical paper which you have studied in the first year and remaining 16 papers are of theory type. So, I will, before going to the last paper, that is the paper number 17th, which is topology. First of all, in short, we will see which type of papers we have studied till now. So, to begin with is the BSc first year. BSc first year, semester first. So, in the BSc first year, semester first, we have studied two theory papers. The first one was the differential calculus. Differential calculus. Then the second paper that we have studied in the semester first was the algebra and trigonometry. Algebra and trigonometry. These two theory papers you have studied in the semester first. Then in the semester second, we have studied two more theory papers. Those were the paper number 3. It was the integral calculus. Then the paper number 4th was the geometry. So these were the 4 theory papers that we have studied in the BSc first year. And there was a practical paper which was of the yearly pattern, and it was the paper number 5th. It was MATLAB practicals. MATLAB practicals. MATLAB stands for Mathematics Laboratory, MATLAB. So these were the papers that we have studied in the BSc first year mathematics course. Then in the second semester, we have again studied 6 theory papers. BSc second year, same 3. In the third semester, we have studied 3 theory papers, and in the fourth semester, we have studied 3 theory papers. So paper number 6th was the real analysis. Real analysis first. Then the paper number 7th was group theory. And the paper number 8 was the ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equations. So like such 3 theory papers we have studied in the semester number 3. Then in the semester number 4th, again we have studied 3 theory papers, and titles of those papers were number 9. Paper number 9 was the real analysis second. Real analysis second. Then the paper number 10th was the ring theory. And the paper number 11th was the partial differential equation. Partial differential equations. Okay. So these 11 papers till second year, fourth semester we have studied. Then in the BSc third year, semester 5th, again we have studied 3 theory papers, and titles were number 12, paper number 12. It was the metric spaces. Then the paper number 13 was the linear algebra. And the paper number 14 was the mechanics first. mechanics, it's the first part. And finally, in the semester number 6th, again we are going to study 3 theory papers, and those papers are number 15th, paper number 15th is numerical analysis. Then number 16th, paper number 16th is integral transforms. And finally, the last one paper, which is the paper number 17th, is topology. Okay, so these are the 17 papers of the BSc Mathematics course. Out of these 17 papers, the first one paper, differential calculus, I have taught you this paper, differential calculus. Then in the second semester, I have taught you the paper integral calculus. Also, I have taught you the MATLAB practical paper in the BSc first year. Then in the BSc second year, I have taught you the real analysis paper first, real analysis first, as well as the group theory. Then in the semester number 4th, I have taught you the real analysis second as well as the ring theory. Then in the semester 5th of the BSc third year, I have taught you the metric spaces and the linear algebra. And now lastly, I am going to teach you the paper number 17th, which is the last paper of this BSc Mathematics course. It is the topology. Okay, so in the first year I have taught you the 2 theory and 1 practical paper. In the second year I have taught you the 4 theory papers. So 3 plus 4 means 7. Then in the 5th semester 2 theory papers means 8, 9, and 1 again in the 6th semester topology, that 10th. So out of the 17 papers, 10 papers I am going to teach you. Okay, we have already studied or the 9 papers. The last one, 10th paper, I am going to teach you. So it is this. Okay, so to begin with is what is this we are going to study in the paper topology. So topology is nothing but most of the concepts that we have studied, we are going to study in the topology are not new to us. We have already studied them in the paper metric spaces, which we have studied in the 5th semester. So in the 5th semester paper number 12th, metric spaces we have studied, and most of the concepts which we have studied in the metric spaces paper, we are going to revisit those concepts here in the topology paper, and we are going to generalize the concepts which are studied in the metric spaces paper. Okay, so most of the concepts we are going to revisit and we are going to generalize them in a broader spectrum. Okay, so to begin with is the BSc third year semester 6th paper number 17th, which is the last paper of your BSc Mathematics course, and the paper is the topology. This is the paper, title of the paper, topology, which we are going to study in this semester. Okay, topology. And to begin with, we'll introduce in a short the scope of the syllabus, means which articles and whatever we are going to study in this particular paper. So as earlier, we have the 3 units in this paper. So in the first unit, we are going to study fundamental concepts such as the operations on a set, then functions, relations, then the integer and real numbers, means properties of integers and real numbers also we are going to study in this first unit. As well as we are going to study the Cartesian product of sets, then finite sets, well ordering theorem, then topological well ordering theorem, as well as we are going to consider here the mainly finite sets we are going to consider, and well ordering theorem. Then the topological spaces, this one from the first article up to here, this much part is covered from the first chapter of the book. Then from the second chapter of the book, which is about the topology. So from here onwards, our main part is going to begin. Okay, so in the first unit, Last two articles are about the topological spaces. So it is the first out of them, the first article is topological spaces, means the definition of a topological space as well as some examples of the topological spaces and some types of topological spaces we are going to consider here. Okay, so this one topological spaces. Then after that, basis of, in the same unit also we are going to study basis of the topology. So definition of the basis for a topology and some properties of basis we are going to study in the first unit as well as examples based on them. So like such are the articles from the unit first. Then in the unit second, this first unit, out of these three units, the first unit is the largest unit and it covers near about the 40% of the syllabus. Second unit is the smallest unit. It covers the near about the 20% of the syllabus. So second unit. So in the second unit, we are going to study three types of the topology. And they are the order topology, then the product topology, and the subspace topology. Okay. What is the difference between them and what are their definitions and properties? That all these things we are going to study in the unit number second. So in unit number second, mainly we are going to study three articles, and those three articles are nothing but types of the topological spaces. The first one is the order topology, the second one is the product topology, and the third one is the subspace topology. And finally, in the unit number third, we are going to study some more concepts about the topological spaces and the sets, such as closed sets. This closed set, limit point of a set, closure and interior of a set, continuity of a function, connectedness and compactness. All these articles we have already studied in the paper Metric Spaces of the BSc third year semester number 5th. All those concepts which are already studied here in the metric spaces, now we are going to revisit them and generalize them. So closed set. So definition of a closed set. When does a set is said to be closed? That we are going to consider here. Then definition of limit point of a set. Then properties of limit points also we are going to discuss here. Then closure and interior of a set. Definition of the closure of a set. Then interior of a set we are going to discuss here. Then after this, closed set, open set, limit point, closure of a set, interior of a set, and so on, we are going to discuss the continuity of a function. Continuity of a function in a topological space we are going to consider here. Okay. Then after that, so this much is the major part of this third unit. And the third unit has two more articles which are just for the definitions and examples covered in those articles. The theorems and lemmas are not in our syllabus of these two articles, connected and compact spaces. So the last but one article is the connected space and the last article is the compact space. So connected space and compact spaces. These two articles are just for the definitions and examples covered in those articles. So like such, we have the syllabus of this paper topology, which is the last paper of this our BSc mathematics course. Okay, so today we have discussed about the whatever we are going to study in this paper. Today we'll stop here and we'll continue with the unit number first from the tomorrow's class. Thank you.